Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Today I thought I would share with you my morning routine before I go to work. I actually had work from 12 until 8 today at my non-dance job, so I wanted to be productive in the morning, do a little bit of a ballet class, and obviously enjoy my coffee, enjoy spending time with my family, aka Elsa and Steven. My mom lives about 30 minutes away, so I didn't have time to visit her before work. While my coffee is brewing, I have some water and I clean the kitchen from the night before. Usually I had cleaned the kitchen the night before, but I finished work really late last night and I was exhausted, so I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna clean it the next morning. And then I go ahead and grab a ginger turmeric shot and some celery juice to help aid my digestion. I do have these after my coffee and water, and especially during cold and flu season when the weather is fluctuating so much, I think it's really important to get as many vitamins and nutrients in as possible. And that's another reason I love this oat mix, because it has rye flakes, chia seeds, flax seeds, all the kind of seeds you need, and a ton of different grains which help with digestion and help with fiber intake. And then I actually add some maca powder, some cinnamon, sometimes some chia seeds, but I didn't feel like it today, and some almond butter for some extra healthy fats. I love the taste of medjool dates with almond butter. I think they're so decadent and delicious. Then I add on some fresh blueberries that I got from the supermarket the day before and some raspberries. I am Canadian, so I obviously need to have maple syrup on my oatmeal. It tastes delicious, so don't hate before you try it because it is delicious. Now this video is not sponsored by Dose Juice, but they do send me a package of their juices every month so that I can try them and share my love for their juices with you guys. All of the ingredients on the back that are labeled with an asterisk are actually certified organic. The 100% label on the front signifies that the bottles were made from 100% recycled plastic. And I actually have an affiliate code for you guys to use that gives you 15% off your first order of these Dose juices if you choose to order the same ones as me. I will put them all down below as well. You can use code JasmineMcD at checkout for 15% off. Now you guys know I would only recommend products that I genuinely believe in and that I believe resonate with me and my brand. And by implementing any of these Dose juices within my morning routine, I know that I set up my day really well with healthy habits to keep me going in my dancing, in my work, in my workouts, and in life. Another healthy habit that I love to implement in my morning routines is taking time for my skincare. I really try to use this time as almost a meditation. I put my phone away, maybe I listen to meditation or words of affirmation. But I notice on days where I don't take time for myself, for my body, I do not feel set up and I do not feel good and my day's not set up well. So I really try to take, even if it's an extra 10 minutes, to implement extra skincare, a little bit of extra love for my physical and emotional well-being. Now my camera actually died when I did my makeup, but I went outside and played with Elsa, and that's another thing I love doing first thing in the mornings, getting some sunshine, some vitamin D, playing with our puppy because she is so playful and needs exercise just like all of us. Speaking of which, my choice of movement and physical activity is obviously ballet, so I pick my outfit for the day, which is going to be a leotard, tights, and I decided not to go with the skirt. I actually went with these garbage trash bag shorts, and I was ready to start dancing once I put my hair back in a little ponytail. I was going to do a bun, and then I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna do a ponytail because I'm gonna be doing a short class anyway since I had to go to work in a few hours. I put on my pointe shoes and I warmed up to get ready to do a little bit of a ballet bar and some center work. Now, I want to talk for a second about finding what you think is best for your body in terms of physical activity. Emphasis on the YOU, because so many of us are so different. We're all different, in fact. Each and every one of us requires something different in our lives, whether that be the food that we're ingesting or the exercise that we're executing. And I'm not ashamed to admit that it took me 26 years to actually find a routine that genuinely works for me. For so many years, I was following what other people were doing, following trends in terms of exercise, what people were eating, different diet plans. And it took me so long to find what actually works for my body. I have never felt healthier, stronger, more fit, more flexible, and more excited to actually go into my routine. when I was following everybody else's routines and not my own, I dreaded exercises. I dreaded going to the gym. I did not look forward to having meal plans that weren't tapered to what I needed. And it's really hard nowadays to not compare yourself to somebody else online. Heck, I still do it, but it's really important to remember that everybody else is on their own path, on their own journeys, and requires something else in life that isn't going to be the same as you. And that goes for in person as well. I mean, when I was in ballet school, I used to compare myself so much to other girls in my class, other guys in my class, and I completely forgot that we're all different and we're all built differently and we all have different needs. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was really short, but I love these morning routines. It reminds me of my favorite comfort YouTube videos that I used to watch when I felt alone. And that's my goal of this channel. I hope that if you feel alone, my voice can help and can help you feel less alone, or you feel like you resonate with any of the things that I've said, or you can relate. So let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Happy dancing, stay safe, and as always, thanks again for watching. Bye now.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.